Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover your Lwex account if you have forgotten your password. For that, first of all, open your web browser in your PC or in your mobile device and search for lwex.com. Now, once you are on Lwex website, simply hover over to the top right hand corner and click on login. Now, once you click on login, you will see your email address and your password if you have checked this particular option, that is remember my password. But if you have forgotten your password, you will see the forgot password option here. So simply click on forget password, and here you need to provide your registered email, and basically Lwex is going to send you a 6-digit code which you need to paste on this page and then click on the send button. On the next page, you will be able to create a new password for your account, and after the successful creation of your password, it will automatically redirect you on this login page, where again you need to provide your email address and the newly created password. And this time I recommend you to check this box and click on the login button. This way you will be able to recover your Lwex account. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to this channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.